Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ads on Facebook. We'll cover the essential steps to launch a successful campaign, from initial setup to monitoring performance. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, these principles will guide you. We'll discuss defining your audience, selecting ad formats, and managing your budget effectively. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to create impactful Facebook advertisements. First, choose your campaign objective, such as driving traffic or increasing sales. This guides your entire ad strategy. Next, meticulously define your target audience. Consider factors like age, location, and interests. Facebook's detailed targeting allows you to reach very specific groups, ensuring your message resonates with the right people. You can even exclude certain demographics to refine your audience further, maximizing your return on investment. Now, let's focus on your ad creative. Your visuals are paramount. Use high-quality images or videos that stand out. Your ad copy should be brief, engaging, and include a clear call to action, telling people exactly what to do next. Consider various placements, from the Facebook news feed to Instagram stories, and ensure your creative adapts well to each. Remember, over 98% of users access Facebook on mobile, so optimize for that experience. Finally, establish your budget and bidding strategy. You can set a daily budget, perhaps $20, or a lifetime budget for the entire campaign. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your goals, whether it's lowest cost or bid cap. Regularly monitor your ad performance in Ads Manager, paying attention to metrics like click-through rate and cost per result. Adjust your targeting or creative as needed to continuously improve your campaign's effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.